value of a case is dependent on several factors. Now, some of these key factors would be, what are the injuries? What's the severity of the injuries? And what I mean by that is, did the client have to undergo physical therapy for their injuries for 3 months, 6 months, a year, or chiropractic care? Or did the client have to undergo, in addition to that, injections, pain injections, cortisone injections, steroid injections? And to go a step beyond that, did the client have to undergo a surgical procedure? Did they have to undergo arthroscopic surgery, which is known as minimally invasive surgery, or do they have to undergo a open surgery, meaning where it's more invasive? And or did the client have to have plates and rods put into a certain body part, which is known as hardware? Did they have to have that implanted in their body? Did they make a great recovery from their injuries quickly, or did they not make a great recovery? Another factor that we consider that's important for valuing a case is the lost wage component. Did the client miss work from the injuries? Were they unable to return to work? And if so, for how long were they unable to return to work for? And was this pursuant to a doctor's instruction? Did the doctor tell them not to return to work due to their injuries? Also, what was the lost wages? Was it $500 a week that they missed out on, or was it $5,000 a week that they lost? Depending on the occupation, that would of course go into the value of the case as well. It's important to keep in mind that every case is specific. There is certain details of every case that make it unique. So you don't want to just simply do a one-size-fits-all approach. And the one struggle that I feel that some attorneys may have with clients is that certain clients may feel that their case is worth a certain number. They've come up with a number, this is what I want for my case. Now, there's certain problems with that because the way the case is valued is based on what I like to refer to as the fair value of the case. Now, I'd like to draw an analogy to help explain this. Would be a fair market value for a home or a car. Everyone knows what that is. And the fair market value for a home or a car is based on what the general public would pay for that asset, that home or that car. That's fair market value. So what do you call this in a personal injury case? This claim for injuries you have, it would be called basically the fair jury value, meaning what a jury would find that your injuries, your claim for injuries is worth. That's what your case is worth. So in personal injury cases, you have fair jury value. That's who determines what your case is worth, not you, not the defense, not the attorneys, not the judge, the jury, and the jury only in personal injury cases in the state of New York.